Tired of online shopping feeling like a gamble? Let's ditch that anxiety and create a virtual credit card with Revolut for ultimate payment protection. First, open your Revolut app at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the card's icon, which usually looks like a debit card. Once you're in the card section, look for a button that says something like Add Card or Get a Card. Tap on that. Now a menu will appear with different card types. Select Virtual Card. This is the key to safer online shopping. Next, you can customize your VCC. You can set a spending limit for this card, which is great for sticking to a budget, or you can even make it a single-use card for maximum security on less trustworthy websites. Once you've set your preferences, Revolut will instantly generate your new virtual card. You'll see the card number, expiry date, and CVV just like a physical card. Use these details to make your online purchase just like you would with any other credit card, but this time, your main account is protected. Finally, easily manage your virtual card. You can freeze it if you suspect any issues, unfreeze it when you need to use it again, or even delete it completely after a purchase. Take control and shop secure with Revolut.